All right, in this video, I'm going to show you how to navigate on your Canon EOS RP. All right, so first thing we're going to do is turn it on. And then we're going to come over to the left-hand side and we're going to press Menu. All right, so now you're going to see this page come up. And you're going to notice it's the camera and it's in red. And there's 9 different pages. So the way that you navigate is you're going to come up to this little wheel that's on the grip. And you're going to use your finger. And as I pull it towards me, it's going to change pages. So there's 1 page, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? If I do it one more time, it's going to skip to the next icon, which looks like a play icon right there. But let's go back here. So let's say we're on this first page and we want to navigate up or down. So what we can do is we can come to this little circle here, and if we want to go up, we can go like this. If we want to go down, we can go this way. All right? Or if you wanted to, you could just probably touch it, just like that, and it would open it up. All right, so now it's asking me what image quality I want. I've got it set at RAW. So I just hit set, and it just, you can see it's at RAW now. So now if I want to go up a page, I can just pull it just like that, and then you can see all the different things that you might want to set. Now when I get to the end here of the pages, it's going to switch, and then we're going to go through those pages. There's 2, 3, and 4. Then it comes to the next, and there's 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and the next, and there's only 1 page there. And then next is like menu tabs that you can add. And then if I go one more time, I'm right back to the beginning. And that's how you navigate through there. So you can use this, and you can use this, and you can do touch. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on this camera. Peace out.